Thank you very much. It's a very important question, and I'm advising the Japanese government, and also director of the APEC Data Government Research Center. First, we need the so-called international benchmark on the data and any other subject. Very clear. We need more so-called the data-oriented, also data-oriented societies. For example, Japanese government adopted my proposal to cut budget by 30% to use data government. So data government can work for reduction of the budget, increase the productivity of the workers, and good relation with the civil societies. So these data should be evaluated, monitored. So a leader needs not only data, which you say, need of the feedback from the examiners or evaluators on the what we have done in the past and what we can do right now and what we'll do in the future. That's the leader of the government might be essential factors.
Yeah. And Samira, from a World Bank perspective, if you and your colleagues could have a data set, any data set you wanted, in any segmentation you wanted, what would that data set be?
Absolutely. So the data sets have to be oriented to your mission.
Yeah.
What is your mission? Our mission is poverty reduction and increase of shared prosperity. So for us, the most important thing is where are the poor people and how can we support them to lift them out of poverty? And you wouldn't believe how difficult this data is to collect because the poor people do not have a voice, live in remote area, and very often do not have an identity. They do not exist in the system. So the biggest challenge on all of us, for all government, especially governments like the Kingdom, I know that there is a lot of effort to provide social protection, to be proactive, to send cash transfers to the vulnerable population. How do you identify them? And the good news is we can do so now as we collect census data, as we proactively collaborate across agencies, as we use AI and business intelligence tools. And all this data can be helped for the next step, in my view, which is job creation. After the identification and the provision of education, social protection, how to create a society where everyone has a decent job and doesn't depend on subsidies anymore. That is the ideal for the thriving society, but these two sets of data, the poverty and then the user journey out of poverty towards filling a job and getting to the middle class, this is a type of data that is very difficult to identify. It's not found in central government, and there needs to be a lot of collaboration between central and local government and all the agencies and NGOs involved towards that.